Okay, wonderful.
Yes.
Well, I am going to quickly do a just some table setting in terms of CurrikiStudio and why we have created CurrikiStudio. Then walk through some of the product updates for whoever's doing that. Can you stop? Then walk through some updates on CurrikiStudio and some of the new features that we'll be releasing in the coming weeks. And then I'll pass it over to the star of the show, Caroline, who is going to dynamically walk you through some different ways in which, as a content creator, you can take advantage of CurrikiStudio tools. So to kick it off, CurrikiStudio is changing the way educational experiences are designed, created, and delivered to a new generation of learners. We built CurrikiStudio because we know there's a lot of great existing content out there, but existing resources aren't interactive by design. And for a content creator, whether you're an educator in a classroom, a director of curriculum instruction, or the head of a nonprofit, building a learning experience from scratch can be technical and expensive. And as we move into this ever-changing world of distance and flipped classrooms, current digital courseware is designed for more traditional classroom settings. So it's our goal to create a one-stop shop for interactive learning activities so that you can take advantage of interactive video, gamified quiz, badges, and leaderboards, and create a connected and cohesive curricular experience for your learners with CurrikiStudio and publish that to wherever you'd like. We have over 15 learning activity types available in CurrikiStudio, and it's our goal to take 50 into 500. You'll see Caroline demonstrate a variety of different learning activity types that range in interactivity, and you can adjust the rigor depending on your instructional goals. And our goal is to continue to evolve this with new integrations like video conferencing, real-time collaboration, and even audio streaming so that students can have voice and choice in what they're doing to be reflective of a 21st century learning experience. With CurrikiStudio, you can create and author all of your content in one place and then publish anywhere. You can publish to the top learning management systems. You can embed a playlist or activities in a website or a microsite. All of our learning experiences are mobile optimized by design, and you can package that up and create your own mobile application. Or if you're a technologist who wants to take advantage of our tools, you can download our entire kit as a self-executable file. So if you've been in CurrikiStudio and you're already a member, welcome. I want to show you a couple things that you're going to see in the next couple of weeks with upcoming releases with CurrikiStudio. And I first need to give a shout out to all of the awesome content authors who have been using the tool and giving us feedback and insights into how we can improve the tool. You are the ones that drove these upcoming changes. So first and foremost, images for activity thumbnails. We got a lot of feedback that as a content creator, educators want to be able to quickly and easily add images to activities for thumbnails. Now, instead of just needing to have something downloaded on your computer, creators can choose from a random default image. They can search a database of open source images that are free and available for you to jump in, or you can upload something from your computer. Our goal is to streamline the activity creation process by giving you access to quality images at your fingertips to be able to grab and go. We've also created a new category of activity types using GeoGebra, which is an open source algebra and geometry learning activity type. As you're going through the content creator activity flow, you'll notice that we have a new section called math, and there are 6 currently new different types of tools, such as a graphing calculator, charts and graphs that students can create and educators can write key prompts towards. We also have another new activity type called Immersive Reader. So this integrates immersive reading activities as a learning experience. It does things like highlight the text as the student reads, provides audio support, and if a student wants to look at a picture of a specific image for visual association, that's available right in there. So really great for long passages and especially helpful for students with special needs or need modifications in reading support. The other thing you might have noticed is that content creators wanted to be saw things like timeline or interactive video or branching scenario. And I was like, what is this? And kind of want to try before they buy and jump in and start investing time in doing it. Now, as you're going through the content creation flow, you can see a demo of an example activity type completely baked out by an educator, as well as get an interactive video on how to use that activity type in your building to get extra help and support. The other thing I'm excited to announce is that coming soon, probably in about a month or so, you will be able to search and remix activities from a library of activated CurrikiStudio playlists. So if you are ready to create a financial literacy program but don't know where to start, try searching the content and it will return results of other shared projects and playlists created by other authors, so you can take those and integrate those into your instruction. We're going to be releasing the ability to filter by subject and grade level coming soon, and our goal with this is to really streamline the process and access to open quality educational resources. The other thing I wanted to announce is that we do have a public roadmap. So if you're wondering, what is Curriki up to? What are they going to be working on next? We'll share this link in our webinar follow-up, but you can follow along with our progress and see inbound requests and things that we'll be working on at our publicly available roadmap. Again, this is all driven by user feedback, so we encourage you to, on this page, submit requests, ideas, and feedback on how we can continue to evolve Curriki to meet the needs of you. The last thing to highlight here before passing it over to Caroline is we have a host of support resources. So at support.curriki.org, you'll find some technical support, how-to, some instructional design tips, as well as embedded in CurrikiStudio, we have a live chat and email support to help with troubleshooting while you're building projects and playlists.